Most people buy a 6-month or 12-month auto insurance policy, but sometimes you just don't need that much coverage. Maybe you're borrowing a car for a week. Maybe you're selling your old vehicle and it's sitting in your garage. Or maybe you're visiting another state and need insurance only for a short period. In situations like these, many drivers start searching for temporary car insurance. There's something important you should know. In the United States, true one-day or one-week car insurance is not something major insurers officially offer. Companies like Geico, Progressive, State Farm, and Nationwide typically sell policies that last at least 6 months. However, drivers across several states do have real alternatives that work as temporary insurance, without having to commit long-term. The first and most common option is this. Drivers buy a regular 6-month policy and cancel it early once they no longer need it. Most insurers give a prorated refund for the unused time, and it's a perfectly legal way to get coverage for just a few weeks or a couple of months. The second option is non-owner car insurance. This is ideal if you don't own a car but plan to drive occasionally. Whether it's a borrowed vehicle, a rental car, or a friend's car, it provides liability protection and is available in most U.S. states. Many drivers use non-owner policies as an affordable, short-term solution. The third option is pay-per-mile insurance, which is becoming one of the easiest ways to get temporary coverage across multiple states. Companies like Metromile, Allstate Milewise, Nationwide Smart Miles, and Mile Auto charge you based on the miles you actually drive. For people who only need a car for a short time, or who drive very little, this can significantly reduce the cost compared to a standard policy. Now, what about price? Temporary style insurance varies by state, but here's what the data consistently shows. Liability-only coverage is usually the cheapest option. Some drivers can find rates under $100 a month, and in certain cases, even near $50. This depends on their zip code, driving record, vehicle type, and mileage. Monthly averages for short-term style policies generally range from $60 to $150 in many states, though big metro areas may be higher. For drivers storing their vehicles or only using them seasonally, comprehensive-only coverage is another option offered in multiple states. This protects against theft, vandalism, and weather damage, without paying for liability when the car is not being driven. Some states may require additional forms or a non-operation status if the car won't be on the road. Temporary car insurance is especially useful for people borrowing a car for a short time, visitors from out of state, and students who only drive during school breaks. It's also useful for drivers in between long-term policies, people selling a car who need coverage only for test drives, and low-mileage drivers who use pay-per-mile insurance. So here's the bottom line. While traditional one-day or one-week insurance isn't something the major insurers officially sell, drivers across many states still have real, legal, flexible ways to get short-term coverage. Whether it's a 6-month plan you cancel early, a non-owner policy, or pay-per-mile insurance, these are the actual methods people use in the U.S. to protect themselves temporarily without a long commitment. If you want to compare real rates from verified insurers, check the link in the description or the pinned comment. Enter your zip code and see your options instantly. It only takes a minute, and it may save you a lot of money.